up, people? Today we just released our own Patreon. So like, if you are down to subscribing or either finding getting a donator role on the server, then I suggest you know, become a Patreon. Um, that's all I wanted to make this video about, and my friend Lucky's in the call with me right now. Say what's up.
My bad. Sorry, I was taking a fat dookie, but basically, guys, if you just come to the Patreon and every time you guys donate, it goes back to the YouTube channel. It's really worth it, and it really helps, corrupt it out a lot. It also helps me out with my own brand. We're partners and stuff, and it helps us all out here in the community. So every time you donate, you will get perks every time, and each perk as it goes up, you get a better perk, of course. But don't let that discourage you from buying higher perks, or think that you're not special just because you don't get a certain perk, because those things really matter. Even just the smallest penny matters to us, because that will help us in the near future to make better content and better stuff. Shut up, you train. Sorry, I was yelling at the train. So basically,
Yo, all right.
That's all I wanted to say, guys. My name's Lusky, and thanks.
I'm gonna invite I invited Lucky into this video for another reason. I was wanting to actually help him promote his server as well, so I'm gonna be leaving his link down in the description below. So if y'all would like to check that out, that'd be perfect. And yeah, that's just what I wanted to post the video for. So like, if you can check out the Patreon, check out his server. I'll invite my server as well. And maybe I might invite his YouTube channel as well. So yeah, that's it. Thanks. Peace out. And by the way, the Patreon will come with multiple sets of rewards. So if you want the kit, I'll leave the link down in this description. Join our server. Don't forget to leave that out. And thanks for supporting me. I'm gonna wrap it up here, and peace, peace.